While there are many ways you could improve the appearance of your home, one of the first steps most people take is to have replacement windows installed in Edmonton. Once you do this, your dream of what you want your home to look like will start to come true. When you replace your windows in your Alberta area home, you will immediately start to notice savings in energy costs. What better way to put those savings to good use than by starting on other exterior projects that boost your curb appeal? In essence, replacement windows are the starting block to fantastic curb appeal. New windows in your home help your house appear bright and shiny. As windows age, they tend to dull, so when sunlight hits them, age can be seen, instantly bringing down your curb appeal. New windows will brightly reflect the sun, helping your house appear as though it is shining like a diamond. Given the number of styles available with replacement windows, you can easily modernize your home, which will boost its curb appeal. For those in the Edmonton area looking for replacement windows, GreenFox Windows and Doors is here to help. Call today at 825-862-0070 for your free quote.